I blissfully welcome you all into this class. My dear children, do you all remember what is the topic we are in? Yes, we are in large numbers, first chapter, okay? And what did we study in the previous class? We studied the Indian place value system, right? So what is there in the Indian place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. In Indian place value system, you will be having till crores period. And many of them made spelling mistakes in your homework. For 100, see 100, H-U-N, hun, D-R-E-D, 100. Then 1000, T-H-O-U, thousands, S-A-N-D-S, thousands. And even lakh spelling, many of them, L-A-K-H, lakh. This is the correct spelling, lakh. And crore, C-R-O-R-E, crore, C-R-O, crore, R-E, ear sound, so crore. And 40, 90, 11 made mistakes, you people. See, F-O-R-T-Y, this is 40. Okay, and then 9 spelling you will be writing N-I-N-E. So T is T-Y, that's it, 90. Then 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. So you must be thorough in all these spellings, okay? Okay. Today we are going to learn International System of Place Value chart, okay? I'll just write it on the board. International System. International System of Numeration, okay? So in this international system you will be getting ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, and after thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s. Then after 10,000, 100,000, 100,000s. And after 100,000s, million, M-I-L-L-I-O-N-S, millions. Then after millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. You'll be writing 10 millions, and then at last 100 millions, okay? First, ones, tens, hundreds. Already you know that ones, tens, hundreds belongs to ones period. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. These three belongs to thousands period. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. And these three belongs to millions period. Very easy to remember. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay. Now we are going to apply this international system of numeration into the numbers. Okay. Very easy. Okay. So first we are going to write it as a word form. So numbers will be given like this: 3, 1, 5, 2, 0, 0. Okay, this is said to be standard form. When the numbers are there, this is said to be standard form, and this standard form we are going to change into word form. First thing, what is the first process? We have to write the international system of place value over these numbers, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. After 10,000 what will come? 100,000. 100,000. So these three numbers belongs to thousands period. So there will be one difference in Indian place value system and international. That is, after two numbers you will be getting commas. But here after three numbers. See, these three numbers belongs to thousands period. Okay. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Now listen here. Under the place of 100,000, you are having 3. So what will you say? You will say it as 300,000. Okay. Now 1 and 5 is there. 1 and 5 together we used to say it as 15. So how will you write this? So you will write it as 315,000. Beginning itself you should not write 300,000. You have to join together all these three and then only you should write 1,000. So you will be writing 3 300 1 and 5 15. 315,000. And see, in 100 place you are having only 2. So what will you say? 200. Because in tens place and ones place you don't have any number. That is only you are having 0. So 0 doesn't have any value. So simply you will call it as 200 as 200. So 200. $315,200. This is the way you should write. Okay. This is word form, and next we are gonna see the standard form. Okay. Standard form is nothing but numbers are said to be standard form, and we have to change it as this is standard form. We have changed it as into word form. Now word form will be given, and you have to change it into standard form. Okay. And that is also very easy. Standard form. Okay. Now in standard form, first sum 600 23 623,000 623,140. Okay, 623,140. And what is the first process? The first process is writing the place value. Okay. Now let's see here till 623,000 till thousands period and 600. So you will be writing 1,000, 10,000 till 100,000. Okay. You should be thorough in that thing first. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. Okay, now write the numbers. 600. So in 100,000 place you will be writing 6. 600. 23,000. 23,000. Now the 1000 periods got over. So balance thing is 100. So in hundreds place you will be writing 1. 40. See the spelling for 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. So that's all, very easy. This is how you have to write it in the standard form. Okay, standard form is nothing but this numbers, and I think so you are thorough in word form also. Very important thing in word form is spellings. Don't make any spelling mistakes. Okay. Next we are gonna see ascending order, descending order. Okay. We all know that ascending and descending, and we have studied in our lower classes also. Ascending means lower, from small to big. Descending means from big to small. Okay, let me write that thing. Okay, ascending, please be thorough in this thing. Many of them will get confused. Ascending. Ascending means small to big. Okay. Next. Descending. Descending means opposite of ascending, that is big to small. Okay, big to small. Very easy. If you found the numbers in ascending order, you can easily find the numbers in descending order also. Okay. Ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. Now, set of numbers will be given to you. Okay. You have to write the set of numbers, and either they can be asked you to write it in ascending order or descending order. First, you should be very thorough in this thing, ascending and descending. Now, I will write the set of numbers, and I will teach you how to write it. Okay, now descending order. What is descending order? Just now I have written. Descending means big to small. Descending order. Okay, I will write the set of numbers here. For example, I am writing 9, 8, 9, 3, 3, 8, 3. This is one set. 9, 8, 9, 9, 8, 8, 3, 3. Then 8, 19, 9, 8, 9, 3, 3, 8. Then 8, 9, 3, 8, 8, 3, 3. Okay, 4 sets of numbers I have written here. Now you have to change it in descending order. What is descending order? From big to small. Okay, even in this thing we have to apply the place value. But very important thing, what place value we have to use here? Easily you can say, see, two numbers after comma. So it is Indian place value. How? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So if it is international, after 3 numbers you will be getting commas. So you have to make sure of this thing. Okay. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. So in the first set of numbers, till 10 lakhs you are having. Now move on to the second set. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So in the second set of number, you are having till crores period. Third, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Even in the third set also you are having till crores period. Now fourth, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. So in the first set and fourth set you are having till 10 lakh, second and third set till crores period. Now you have to see these four numbers. Just compare all these four sets. Which one is greater? Definitely crores period are greater. So these two sets are crores period. Now keep your eye on these two sets. Okay, crore, crore. Now in these two sets, now you have to check which one is bigger. 9 is bigger or 8 is bigger? Of course 9 is bigger. So 9 crore 89 lakh 98,833. So this thing will come first. 9 crore 89 lakh 98,833. Now next, of course definitely this crore period, this set of numbers. This is also until it is having crore period. So 8 crore 99 lakh 89,330. Now after this, which one is okay? Here it is till 10 lakh, here also till 10 lakh. Both are same. Now we have to check the numbers. See under the place value of 10 lakh, here it is 9, here it is 8. Which one is bigger? Yes, this is bigger, 9. So 98 lakh 93,383. 98 lakh 93,383. Next, of course, this one is the last thing. 89 lakh 38,833. This is descending order from big to small. Now, if I ask you to change it into ascending order, what will be your answer? Very easy, that you will be writing from the backward, because this is the very least number, right? So you will be writing this thing as first, second, third, fourth from the backward. Very simple thing, ascending order. From the descending order, easily you can write the ascending order. Now this is the, I hope so you all understood the international place value chart. Once again I repeat it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Still 100 millions you will be having. And what we saw in this international, we saw that the word form, standard form, and we saw this ascending and descending order in the Indian place value chart. Okay, now it's the time to give the home assignment. My dear children, it is my kind request that when you are writing your homework in a page, please take the photo properly, because some students they are not at all taking the photo properly here. All the sides are getting cut. So I cannot see the spellings, whatever you have written there. And till the last class, I saw only 35 to 37 students have completed the homework. My dear children, please follow the teacher's instructions. Then only you can able to be thorough in that thing. And after finishing your homework, please write your name with full initial. So then only I can able to conclude that these many students and these are the students have completed. So please note down the homework in your rough note. Okay? Yes. note it down. First one is, you have to write it in word form. Okay? Numbers are 8, 1, 2, 1, 9, 4, 7, 0. So this number you have to write it in word form. Now second, standard form. I'll be writing the words, okay? You have to write it as standard form. Four million 300 1,000 605 Okay, so this is word form and this is standard form. And the third one is please write it in ascending order and as well as descending order. Okay, first I'll give you ascending order. Okay, two, 6, 7. Sorry. 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5. Then here I will write it 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5. So, and descending. Please, my dear children, please write it as word form, standard form, and this thing as ascending order and even in descending order. So when you are writing in the paper, please write your name and section properly with your full name and with your initial, section name, standard and section, and then all these things properly, please. And one more thing, don't use pencil. It is very light. It is not at all dark, so use only pen. Okay. Thank you, students.